Welcome to the Top Best. The best sledding inner tube is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for anyone looking to make the most out of winter's snowy slopes, offering a thrilling and accessible way to experience the joy of sledding, whether you're a seasoned snow enthusiast or introducing the fun to a new generation, ensuring hours of outdoor entertainment and creating lasting memories against a picturesque winter backdrop. Number 5. Mission Automotive 10-inch Replacement Inner Tube, 2-pack. Experience superior performance with these replacement inner tubes. They are designed for optimal utility across various outdoor equipment like lawn mowers and wheelbarrows. Crafted from durable rubber, these tubes are built to last. They withstand rigorous use, making them ideal for both professional and personal applications. Simplify maintenance with these easy-to-install inner tubes. No special tools are required, ensuring your equipment is back in operation swiftly. These tubes are compatible with a wide range of outdoor equipment, including lawn mowers and wheelbarrow tire replacements. This versatility reduces the need for frequent replacements. Inflate with a manual pump to maintain the recommended 30 psi. This ensures safety and performance, preventing overfilling and extending the life of your tubes. What we like. This inner tube is built for longevity and easy setup. Its durable rubber construction ensures it can handle rigorous use, and installation is a breeze without special tools. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward replacement for your lawn mower or garden cart, this is a solid choice. What people say. These were a breeze to install once I realized each rim of my hand truck was two half rims bolted together. For me, it was much easier and safer to remove and redo 4 bolts than to muscle such a small and thick tire with some screwdrivers. The stem is bent so that the place you would attach the inflator pump is at a right angle to the plane of rotation, that is, the stem sticks straight out from the wheel. Hopefully, this will have less wear on the stem than my old ones, but you probably want to make sure that it won't matter to you to have the stem stick out about the height of a stem cap from the outside edge of the tire. The initial quality of this product seems superior to tubes that I have purchased in the past: thicker rubber, quality seams, and good protection around the stem where exits the wheel. Number 4. Bradley Heavy-Duty Butyl Rubber Inner Tube. Get ready for endless fun with our heavy-duty inner tube. It's built tough for all your adventures, from snowy hills to flowing rivers. This is a no-frills, pure rubber inner tube designed for maximum durability. It's exactly what you need for reliable performance. Inflating is a breeze, just add air until it's full. The valve cap even includes a tool for quick deflation when you're done. Use it for sledding down snowy slopes, floating down rivers, or as a reliable float for pool closing. It's perfect for water tubing and more. We stand by our workmanship, offering the best inner tubes available. If you have any issues, we're here to make it right. What we like. This heavy-duty tube is designed for serious fun in the snow and water. The short valve stem enhances safety, and the included tool makes deflation quick and easy. If you're an adventurer seeking a robust tube for sledding, river floating, or pool closing, this is the one for you. What people say. Tubes are thick, valve stems seem durable. It's been a hard winter and it hasn't lost any air under the snow and ice of my pool cover. Size is as described and great quality. Number 3. Bradley Heavy-Duty Butyl Rubber Inner Tube. Get ready for endless fun with our heavy-duty inner tube. It's built tough for all your adventures, from snowy hills to flowing rivers. No frills, just pure, reliable rubber. This tube is designed for maximum durability, ensuring it's ready whenever you are. Inflating is as simple as filling a balloon. Just add air until it's fully inflated and ready for action. We've included a short valve stem for your safety. Plus, the valve cap doubles as a tool for quick deflation when your fun is done. Perfect for sledding down snowy slopes, floating down rivers, or even closing your pool for the winter. Its versatility makes it a year-round essential. Our customers agree, these are the best inner tubes available. We stand by our craftsmanship and promise to make things right if you're not completely satisfied. What we like. This heavy-duty tube is designed for serious fun in the snow and water. The short valve stem enhances safety, and the included tool makes deflation quick and easy. If you're an adventurer seeking a robust tube for sledding, river floating, or pool closing, this is the one for you. What people say. Tubes are thick, valve stems seem durable. It's been a hard winter and it hasn't lost any air under the snow and ice of my pool cover. Size is as described in great quality. Number 2. FUNBOY Inflatable Snow Tube. Experience enhanced durability with our double-layer base. It provides a flat surface for incredibly smooth rides down any snowy hill. Crafted from ultra-thick, heavy-duty winter vinyl, this snow tube is built to withstand the harshest cold. It's designed for commercial-grade performance, perfect for endless backyard fun. With a generous 46-inch size, it's ideal for both kids and adults. It can comfortably support up to 250 pounds, making it great for the whole family. Rest assured, it has passed a rigorous 24-hour air test and third-party quality control. You get fast inflation, deflation, and secure dual handles for an amazing downhill grip. Brought to you by a family-owned and operated USA company. We're based in Los Angeles and offer dedicated USA-based customer support, ready to assist you with any questions. What we like. Experience ultimate durability and a smooth ride with this specially designed snow tube. Its double-layer base and heavy-duty winter vinyl ensure it can withstand the cold and rough terrain. If you prioritize a long-lasting, high-quality snow tube for endless downhill fun, this is an excellent option. What people say. Durable and strong. Appear easy to inflate. Will be so much fun to go downhill in the winter wonderland. Number 1. GoFloats Winter Snow Tubes. Get ready for winter fun with our inflatable snow tubes. Choose from a variety of exciting designs perfect for the whole family. These are perfect for cruising down snowy hills in style. Experience the thrill of sledding like never before. Our tubes are made with 100% thicker material compared to others. This ensures awesome designs that are both fun and functional for endless play. Featuring a unique rapid valve, ours inflate much faster than traditional ones. You'll be ready for the snow in no time. These are a guaranteed hit for both adults and kids. Bring smiles and laughter to your winter adventures. Always remember to use them with adult supervision on a designated sledding hill. Enjoy the snow with peace of mind. What we like. Get ready for snow days with this fun and functional snow tube. Its material is treated for cold weather and is significantly thicker than competitors, ensuring durability. If you want a tube that inflates quickly and offers a stylish way to hit the slopes, this is a fantastic choice for kids and adults alike. What people say. The tube is made of durable, high-quality material that feels strong enough to handle rough terrain and fast rides down the hill. It inflates quickly and easily, and the large size provides plenty of room for both kids and adults to enjoy. The handle grips are well placed and sturdy, giving everyone a secure hold while speeding down the slopes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.